Let's now have a new topic, listening and olfaction. Let's talk about first listening. Not only should we listen to what the patient says, but also to how they say it. It is important to listen to the heart and breathing. Take the blood pressure, height and weight, etc. In all the time we spend with the patient, we should be aware of their breathing, coughing, and other sounds like clearing their throat, sniffing, and groaning. We find more about their imbalanced state from these clues rather than from all their verbal complaints. So let's listen first to the speech. Fast and much indicates heart young excess. Loud and aggressive, it indicates liver young excess. Slow, halting, shaky voice, it indicates heart chi deficiency. If the voice is rough or hoarse, it indicates heart yin deficiency. If the voice is soft, then it indicates liver yang or qi deficiency. If it is stammering, it indicates heart yin deficiency, yang excess, or liver yin deficiency. If the speech is slurring, then it indicates heart yang or heart chi deficiency. Now let's go to cough. If the cough is strong and urgent, it indicates lung yang excess. If the cough is dry and urgent, it indicates lung yin deficiency or yang excess. If the cough has with a lot of mucus, it indicates lung dam stagnation. And if the cough is weak and soft, it indicates lung yin deficiency or lung qi deficiency. Next is breathing. If the breathing of the patient is full and noisy, it indicates lung yin excess, as in dam stagnation. Then if the breathing is dry and has a squeaky sounds or obstructive breathing, it indicates yang excess, as in bronchospasm. Next is olfaction. In the Western world, bombarded with perfumes and cosmetic products such as soap gels and body cream, it is very difficult to smell the actual patient. But sometimes, patients complain that their urine is stinking, or that they have had to change their socks or shoes several times in a day because of smelly feet. We can also smell such obviously dominant scents. If the smell is strong, burnt, so it is heat due to yin deficiency or heat due to yang excess, or far heat, especially in the axilla or concentrated sweat. If the breath is foul, it indicates stomach yang excess, and if there is smelly feet, then it is an indication of kidney yin deficiency. If there is smelly urine, it indicates kidney yin deficiency or kidney yang excess. Okay po? Now, all secretions and emanations tend to get more concentrated and strong smelling if the yin is weak. Secretions become more watery and less smelly when their water content increases. There may be a special smell you would associate with a patient, which could give a clue towards his or her dominant organ system, not necessarily an imbalance or disease. Now, if the smell is burnt, like burnt flesh, so the dominant organ system is the heart. If there is sweat smell like a cooking rice, the dominant organ system is the spleen. If there is rancid smell like rotten fruit, The dominant organ system is the liver. If there is pungent smell, like burning spices, the dominant organ system is the lung. And then if there is putrid smell, like rotting fish, the dominant organ system is the kidney.